28 mg rim sport aluminum running boards, bamboo slotted rotors, Harman Kardon stereo speaker system, backup camera, dual climate control, GPS navigation / radio / Sirius / Blue, heated seats, memory seats, power rear hatch, power sliding sunroof, push to start button, V6 engine, cruise control, leather seats, navigation, power seats, dynamic stability control, keyless remote entry tow package. With this being a trade-in here at Trading Post, you'll know exactly what you are getting with this well-kept Mercedes-Benz M-Class. There's a level of quality and refinement in this Mercedes-Benz M-Class ML 350 that you won't find in your average vehicle. Enjoy safety and stability with this all-wheel drive vehicle and drive with confidence in any condition. This low-mileage Mercedes-Benz M-Class has barely been touched. It's the next best thing to buying new. This wonderfully maintained Mercedes-Benz M-Class is in the top 10% of its class when it comes to cleanliness and condition. When this vehicle was shipped from the factory, Mercedes-Benz decided that no option should be left off of this magnificent automobile. So, if you're in the market for a Mercedes-Benz M-Class ML 350 that is equipped with copious amounts of options, then we may just have the perfect vehicle to suit your needs. Give our sales team a call at 828-464-0600 or check us out on the web at www.tradingpostcars.com for more pictures and a live video of this car. Family owned and operated for over 45 years with an A+ rating with the BBB. We would love for you to come be a part of our family.